Hello YouTube, my name is Excel Pebble, and I am a software engineer and game developer with a passion for creating immersive experiences. I've been working with the Unreal Engine for a while now, and I love exploring everything from game design to programming, and everything in between. So if you're into game development, software engineering, or you just enjoy seeing how games are made, then you're in the right place. The goal of this channel is to help you understand and apply key principles of game design and programming. I'll break down the concepts, walk you through tutorials on Unreal Engine, and share devlogs from my projects. But most importantly, I want this channel to be about you. Whether you're an aspiring game developer just starting out, or an industry veteran looking for a quick fix for a bug, I'm here to help. The best way for me to do that is to hear from you. Let me know what you need, what's confusing you about game design, and how I can make Unreal Engine less intimidating for you. So feel free to leave a comment, ask questions, or give me feedback, whether it's about a specific topic or how I'm doing overall. I want this channel to be a reliable and helpful resource for everyone. That said, please be kind. I'm a college student and a starving artist, so I'm bound to make a few mistakes here and there, but I'll do my best to address any feedback I get. I also live stream a lot of my work on Twitch, where you can join me in real time as I tackle challenges, answer your questions, and brainstorm ideas. Right now I'm working on a fun little Adventure Time fan game prototype. You can find all my links in the description and my bio. So be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and smash that like button as we explore the world of game development.